Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2018 Ram 1500 ST Quad Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This 1500 does come in granite. It looks great. It's kind of like a silvery dark gray color. We do got some chrome accents up front with the black grille, and you do have the chrome bumper as well. It does come with halogen quad headlights, and they are incredibly bright. They will light up your way all the way. And it does also come with 17-inch rims with Goodyear brand tires, and there is still a lot of tread left on them. Lots and lots. You'll be good for a while. You got the Ram 1500 logo right there, and you do have heated exterior mirrors as well right there. Now, coming around the back, it does have a 6-foot box. Let's take a look here. And it does have the Ram logo right there, as well as the 4x4 logo. We can open it up. It did just snow, so it's a little bit snowy back here. And you do have a lot of room, plus it is painted in the color of the rest of the vehicle, so it looks really nice. Okay, we got our keys here, so we got 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, but let's unlock and jump on in here. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right there. You do have your handle here. You got a little handle here and some storage down here. You do have the controls over your lights here. You got auto, off, daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as you have your in-cabin light control there. This guy does control your turning signal, your high beams, and your windshield wipers. Okay, on the inside now, let's start her up. Key in the ignition. And we are good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as we have our fuel gauge and our fuel gauge and our oil temperature. In the center there you do have the temperature outside, and this vehicle only has 25 kilometers on it. That is nothing. So you can switch it a few different things. You got your speedometer, you got your vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A and B. You also have your messages, you have screen setup, settings, and then you can also turn the menu off if it is too bright for you at night. It does happen. And then you have your gear shift here, so you just pull it back and then push it down or up. You do have your radio here, so you have your FM and AM, as well as your Sirius XM. It does come with a year of Sirius XM when you do purchase the vehicle. You got your media tab. You have something hooked up through Bluetooth or through USB. Then you also have your presets down here. You got your info and your ABC here. Then you also have your volume up and down. You got your presets. You have your skip, forward, back, pause for your media device. Your audio, your menu, and your back. You also have a browser here. And then you do have your controls over your 4-wheel lock and your 4-wheel low, as well as your 2-wheel right there. And this guy is the power for the climate control, so up and down, plus you can change the circulation. You got your AC, as well as your heat, and then where it's going to blow out of. You do have your traction control and your tow and haul mode down here. Plus you got a bit of storage here. And then you also have a plug-in there and a USB plug-in right over here. In the center here we do have our armrest that has 3 cup holders. As well, you can open it up, and you do have your some little coin holders there, as well as you have a USB plug-in, a 12-volt, USB, 2 USBs, sorry, and you also have an aux cord plug-in. You can close that guy up and lift it up, and then you do have another seat here, so the vehicle does seat 6 people all together. Tons and tons of room. You also have your glove box up here, and you have a second one down here. Lots of stuff in there. You can also put your owner's manual in there or whatever else you might want to. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. You do have control over their own windows back here. A little handle, a little bit more down here. And then you do have all of your leg room back here, and it is very soft as well, very squishy, very nice feel. It is very comfortable to sit on. You can also lift this guy up, and you got some room underneath there for some more storage. Plus you do have some cup holders right there. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2018 Ram 1500 ST. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.